everyone, Kaigan John here, and I am back with another Kamen Rider and Gotchard video. And I know it has been quite some time since the last Gotchard video. I had actually planned to make a few videos about Kamen Rider Legend, but things kind of fell through with that, and I feel like it's kind of too late, so I just didn't upload those. First and foremost, Phase 2 of the Kemi cards are out. They came out this week, and they have some pretty great cards in them. A little bit of the winter movie that's coming out, movie like poster, title, which honestly, I really like this poster. It's very cute. So, as you can see, we have Gotchard and Geats, so it's the annual crossover movie. But then you have, the Kitsune, you have Nago, Tycoon, Buffa. They're all the Kemi versions of them, which are very, very cute. These things are adorable. Honestly, my favorite part of this whole Kemi card Gotchard thing are these kind of character mascots they've been doing for the Legend Riders. I absolutely love them. And then in the background we have, these are all of the level X cards. So you have the X Wizard, X-Gotchalibur, Beetle X, the X Fortress, and the Lion X, whatever it's called. And we will talk about what this turns into in 1 second. But these cards are all going to be used for a specific form. So I got a little pamphlet here. So we have this is just like a, I guess like a screener thing. So you have all these are all like the cards, basically the level 10, like the X cards. Just some screenshots from the movie. Geats and Gotchard together. You got Nago with the girls and the classmates. There's Geats and the Kitsune. You got all like the little Kemi cards and all this stuff. And then here at the bottom it's like the promo Geats card, which I really want this card because it just looks great. Fantastic promo. It's probably gonna be okay. I don't expect too much from Kamen Rider movies, except the length, because they're usually really long. Battle Royale last year was actually pretty good. I actually quite liked it. Obviously, I haven't seen any of the other Geats movies, but that one was good. So if it's Geats, it's probably going to be good. Now, let's actually look at the form I was talking about. But yeah, we have, and I don't know what this form is called. The card is called X-Assemble, I believe. It's kind of like a Sentai card, really. Beetle X, Beetle 9. I believe this is Seed Fighter. You have the Lion one, and then if you see down here, you have the Fortress and Yggdrasil, whatever. Basically all of the X level cards combined into one. And as you can see, this right here is the, I don't know what this is called, I forget, because it's not out yet. It's like not in the show and stuff, but I think this is basically just it's a driver attachment, and it's also a sword. And I think it just it makes him able to use the X level cards, because the Gotchard driver, you have to put 2 in, so I think this is an attachment, so he could use just the one X level card. I actually kind of like this suit. It's weird, but I don't know, I kind of like it. I get why they kept the armor with the legs and the hand. It's basically like a Megazord. It's a Megazord suit. That color of blue and gold, like a cyan and gold or yellow, very great. I wish it was consistently painted that way. I get why they did that, but cast right here, you have Buffa, Nago, Geats, Gotchard, Spanner, and Tycoon. It should be a pretty solid movie, I think. That's it for the movie stuff. Basically just new form, new stuff. Typical movie stuff. Now, let's talk about some new forms that are coming to Gotchard. At the last episode, we got revealed of Kamen Rider Dread. This form is basically to fight, or this new thing, which it uses the X thing. Apparently, he becomes Super Gotchard. This suit slaps. This is a great suit. It reminds me of a Saber suit with that color scheme. Primitive Dragon, maybe? Or The one after it, I don't remember. There's Saber gets a lot of suits, but it reminds me of that one. It looks like he has the Oja finisher, where he does like the leg bite kick, which I don't know if he has the sauce to pull that off, but it's all right. Okay, so this picture doesn't show you what the card is. I don't know what it is. This one does though. So this is UFO X. This is very interesting. The color scheme, once again, the color scheme is very, very good. You know, it reminds me of Meteor or Beast. You know, their forms. It's reminiscent of that, and it kind of looks like a Forza form, which I guess kind of makes sense because it's UFO, space themed. You know, they're really Gotchard has a lot of forms, like that are different looking. Another new form, which I don't even know what this is, if I'm being honest with you. I've heard the rumors about these, like, I don't know if they're god cards or what they are, but it's called Gotchard Mars Phoenix. Okay, so I think these cards are, I think they're supposed to be planets and like the creatures or something, like mythical creatures. These are like the higher level, probably stuff we're getting in phase 3. Man, once again, I mean, look at all the forms we've seen today. Just today, these 4 forms, right? 4 forms is crazy. Look at how different they are in color and in bulk and shape. Gotchard, if anything, has a lot of variety in the suits, but this one is pretty cool. It's kind of crimson, sort of, definitely Mars colored. I don't even know when this is showing up. If you look at the driver, I don't know what's going on. I'm definitely looking forward to seeing some more of the Gotchard things we have coming up, the movie and stuff like that. Thank you all for watching. I know it's been a while. Hopefully I will see you guys soon for maybe a sort of part 2 of this video when better scans drop. And yeah, you never know what's coming out. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Kamen Rider Gotchard video.